embark on an unforgettable adventure in Oregon's Mount Hood territory. Discover the magic of its Willamette Valley communities where relaxation and adventure meet. Find family-owned boutique wineries, breweries, and distilleries. Meet baby animals in the spring, you pick produce in the summer, harvest festivals in the fall, and festive tree farms in the winter. Looking for outdoor adventure? Hike or mountain bike in the Molalla River Recreation Area. Race go-karts and ride tiny trains. Relax with a meal on the farm or prepared with ingredients you just visited by the source on Main Street. Dive into the region's culture in charming small towns and at year-round events like concerts, rodeos, and flower festivals. Plan your trip at mounthoodterritory.com.